Hey guys, I'm in the garden this morning, in my east garden, and I wanted to show you something. I talked to some of you over the weekend about organic gardening and how I fertilize without using chemicals. And one of the best, to me, one of the best methods is using fish emulsion as your fertilizer. Now, I'm in my east garden this morning, and it's going to rain. The garden probably needs water right now, but it's going to rain today, so I'm not going to bother with that. What I'm doing right now, because it's what it really needs, is I'm just coming down through the row and fertilizing. Now, I use a liquid fish emulsion. I mix it up in my trusty pitcher and I run through and put it on each plant. Now, because this needs water, the top of the dirt is a little bit crusty, so when I first started it was just rolling off. Now, what I've done, I'm going to show you this. All I do is I make a little divot in the ground right where the stem is going to be, right next to it, so that it can sink right in. I'm not trying to get the fertilizer everywhere. I just want to get it to the specific plants that I'm trying to give a boost to. But that's what I'm doing. I'm going to be doing it all day outside while the sun's still out, and then inside once the rain hits.